up, guys? Welcome back to Flathead Garage here. Here's Dalton Eldridge. No, this is his truck, technically, sorta.
Yeah.
But it is a what year?
Single cab.
I forgot what year it is.
The 90 model. 2500 Chevy.
Yeah.
Long bed.
It used to have a drum accident. We think.
Yeah.
Pretty sure. But now it's I think it's a 350 gas. Is it carb? Yeah, it's carbureted. It's a 350. It's actually a nice truck, but except the paint is kind of like my truck almost. Yeah, it's fine. This truck's, I like it. This is like literally the only Chevrolet I like.
There's a light like right there, but the cords are cut.
Hell, we already fixed all this stuff. Hell, if you can like get the brakes and stuff fixed and everything like fixed, drive it to my house, and we'll just start fixing on it, dude. That'd be funny. But
Papa wouldn't let me drive it.
Why?
Because you said there's too much stuff wrong with it.
Well, this is it. It does have a tailgate right there.
Yeah, but it's rusted.
But the tires are a little flat. But we're gonna try to. It's a cold start. It's actually pretty cold outside.
Yeah.
Here you go. Dalton, you can get this.
And we are fixing to go hunting too, so we're gonna make a video when we go up there.
We'll try to start the Chevrolet. Huh? Yeah. I'll go ahead and show you the interior. It's to me it looks mint, but it's fine. It's just an old work truck. Basically, I don't like saying that because I like these old Chevrolets and Fords and stuff, but people say that. There's a gauge cluster. I always like these Chevrolet gauge clusters. I like the way they look. But, oh, I didn't know what that was. I'll pump the gas up and then we'll try to start it. See that shit, guys? Just show them underneath the hood and stuff. It's gonna get pretty loud. Has stock exhaust. Try to show them the exhaust and all like that. It's got an exhaust leak. What does it sound like? Yeah, I know, I can hear it. Do you get it? I want to see what it sounds like. Oh yeah, Dalton. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. Dude, we ought to like put it like a dual exhaust on it. It would sound badass.
I'm gonna cut the fucking pipes off of it.
We are too. Yeah, it sounds good, dude. Listen to it. I mean, it don't sound good now, but it sounds pretty good. Yeah, it's got exhaust leak, like right there somewhere.
Yeah, it's got one right here, dude.
Yep.
On the other side it does.
Does it have an exhaust on the other side?
I don't know if it's got another exhaust on it or not.
I think it just all runs into one. We'll shut the hood. Do you want to shut it all the way or just... Is the hood not shut? Oh, okay.
Don't shut all the way though.
Alright, that's fine. Well.
Watch out. Hear it now? Hear it now? We're just gonna drive this.
Okay.
Because if I get down in that bottom, I can't get out with mine. So we're just gonna drive this one. Alright, come over here and get this, help me get the stuff out.
I wish I would have brought my air pump and we could have pumped tires up on it. Hey, I'll back it up to your truck and we'll just put some of this stuff in the back of your truck for now. You want to? That way.
Hell, some of this stuff ain't gonna move. Like, I went up that fucking hill yesterday and it didn't move.
I think if we put the tailgate back on, then this shit'll fall out. Cause it
I ain't even gonna worry about putting the fucking.
Alright.
It'll fall off again.
Okay.
If I go up that hill, I'd have been up a hill up there and it fell out.
Let me roll the window back up. Fuck, I forgot about the door. Yeah. The gas pedal does stick a little bit, I think. Hell, I don't even know how the damn AC works. It's all electronical. Oh hell. Damn, I like that. It's pretty neat. Put the heat on. Yeah, dude. Damn, I've never rode one of these Chevys, and it's actually pretty damn cool. The headliner it's pretty damn gone in it, but sure about it. Dalton's getting his stuff. I guess we'll scoot this shit up. I'll probably have to ride in it, but hell, I'll just do it just because Dalton's getting in here. Try to move some of this shit over for you. Is this how you get it to come out of these vents? Yeah.
Yeah.
I've got it turned. Okay, there's the tie. Yeah, hell, dude.
Shit.
You want me to turn it around?
You might need to get something to keep you warm out there.
I should be fine.
I don't know.
Well, I'm pretty damn good.
If that wind starts blowing, it's gonna cut you.
That's your right. Oh, fuck. You sure that tailgate won't go on?
Yeah, it'll fall off again.
I think it'll, like, since the Taurus rope, like, I think it'll snap in place, dude. Because mine used to do the same shit.
I mean, it comes off the left.
What do you mean?
It just like falls right out.
I know. It's right there. It's broke off. That's the way mine is on mine.
No, it'll pop off on that side too.
Will it? Well,
So really no need for it. Just put it back on
alright.
there. You need anything out here?
No, I think I'm fine. I got leggings. Yeah, I think I'm good.
I would just bring something just in case.
Alright.
You got anything?
Well, if it gets cold, we'll just get in the truck. I know. Here, I'll bring his coat. And this will be the end of this video. See you guys in the next one, and we're gonna start the hunting video. So, see you.